fair hearing. And he said it's in open court.
In open court. And that the judge the High Court judge who dismissed Reverend Kusi Boateng's application at the High Court, since that ruling by that judge has been transferred from Accra to Sunyani, then from Sunyani to Bolga. In his mind, he sees this as
punishment
for that ruling against Reverend Kusi Boateng. And so this is also similar to that. He's trying to draw that comparison between.
And was there a response from the bench or
there was a response from both sides, from the bench and also from counsel for Reverend Kusi Boateng. So from the bench, they had to intervene quickly, and one of the panel members made it clear to Thaddeus Sohei what he's doing, and I want to quote him, quote and unquote, speculative innuendo, and that he doesn't have any evidence to support the claim that the panel has been reconstituted because they are trying to deny Okudzeto Ablakwa a fair hearing. Then Bobby Banson, who is representing Reverend Kusi Boateng, also rose and made the argument that what Thaddeus Sohei was saying is not grounded in law and that it's just hearsay. And so the court should disregard that application or that objection. The court conferred for about a minute or less, and then when they came back, they said they are going to pass a ruling on that objection.
Right.
And then based on that, so now that objection is to whether the panel, they have the constitutional, it is constitutional for the panel to be reconstituted or not. If it turns out that they are not allowed to do so, it means it will be dissolved and a new panel will be constituted. That will be reinstating the previous panel. Or this panel will stay and then they will go ahead and hear Okudzeto Ablakwa's application for the court to strike out Reverend Kusi Boateng's application
for contempt.
Yeah.
And you spoke to Okudzeto Ablakwa after today's sitting?
Yeah. And he was very brief, and that was an advice given to him by his lawyers that he shouldn't go into details, but he told the journalists that they would only speak after tomorrow's ruling and make public what they have discovered as far as this particular application by Reverend Kusi Boateng at the Court of Appeal is concerned. What they have discovered. We don't know what they've discovered, but he said they are going to make it public after tomorrow's ruling by the Court of Appeal.
All right. Lateef, thank you very much for those details from the court today. So wait for the decision of the court. But let me take you to the presidency. The presidency, President Akufo-Addo has announced a resumption